Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you use Amazon website on your phone and how can you place an order on your Amazon website. So this for just need to open Amazon on your Safari browser. I don't have application. If you have Amazon application, then you can continue on that. But right now I don't have it, so I will continue on my website. You can say this is my Amazon account homepage, and you can say this is my ID called Satanshu. What I have to do, I will click on the items, like anything I want to buy. I will click on that, and after that I will go on direct option called add to cart, and then go on to my cart on the top right corner of the screen. That is my cart here, and I will just simply check out this all item from here. Proceed to buy fresh items. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Then please subscribe the channel if you like, and we will meet again with the next and the best